Casa Patio is located in Puntarenas on the Pacific coast of Costa Rica, in a luxury residential community in Playa Hermosa. The project is developed within a 1,924 property, surrounded by gardens, in the middle of the tropical nature that surrounds that community, and the Pacific Ocean on the west side.
Она просто тогда продолжила, да, снимать? Ты на паузу нажала. Блин, так красиво. Вот этот момент.
The land is characterized by being flat, having two slopes on its sides that divide the adjoining lots. In its two main ends, one entrance faces the public street, and another has a view of the sea. The house is designed in 812. The intention of the design was to create a main block with private areas. The program of the social area was a transversal block to the main block, giving priority to the view, which is the sea.
Она просто тогда продолжила, да, снимать? Ты на паузу нажала. Блин, так красиво. Вот этот момент.
The private block on the second level provides coverage and shade to the terrace on the first level, the main social spaces integrated into the terrace, and the central patio that incorporates vegetation in order to give a bioclimatic treatment to the areas surrounding this patio. The project is oriented from east to west, giving value to its main view that occupies the sea and where fortunately the sunset can be observed. It has complete service areas, 5 secondary bedrooms, the main bedroom, and large social areas that face the west, allowing you to enjoy the sunset merging with the sea.